Hey everyone, welcome back to CSS tutorial for complete beginners. Today we're going to learn about CSS Float for Windows. The float properties helps other elements to flow around it. It's practically useful for images and block level. So in our Sublime text, we added image, and now we will going to add img tag and then give the source the name of this image. So we're going to copy the image name and then we're going to paste it into the source, and then we're going to save it. After into the image source in dragon.jpg, we right click and then we're going to give the height, and the height should be 150 pixel, and then we're going to give it id, and the id should be img1, and then we're going to save it. And after we're going to give a paragraph tag, and then into the paragraph tag we're going to add lorem ipsum. So for that we're going to our Google and going to type over here lorem ipsum, and then we're going to copy this and going to paste it over here into the p tag. So for that we can simply copy it and then going to paste it over here like this. So as you can see, we added this two paragraph over here and going to save it. And now if we just open the browser, you can see it's look like this. So what we're going to do, position this text into the right side of this picture. So for that, what we have to do, we just need to come over into our style.css, and into the style.css you just need to type over here hash and going to type image and the image name over here. As you can see, this image name you just need to type over here, and then you just need to give the curly bracket, and into the curly bracket you just need to type over here float. And into the float, if you just wanted to make this picture to the left side, in here you just need to type over here left, and then you just need to save it. And now if we just refresh it, as you can see, this picture is now faded to the left side. As you can see, it's looking so tidy with the picture. So for that we're going to add margin right, and we're going to give it as 20 pixel and going to save it. And now if you just refresh it over here like this, as you can see, it's create a space from the right of this picture, as you can see. So now if you just wanted to float it into the right side, you just type over here right, and now if you save it, and as you can see, now the picture will be set into the right side. So I think the left side looks well with this. So for that we're going to type over here left, going to save it. And now if we just refresh it, as we can see that this is called float, and you can simply change the picture position like where you want and in a very simple way. So that's it. This is what CSS Float means for HTML file. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.